Right, I purchased this Texsport double action hand pump for my inflatable boat, and I wasn't planning on doing necessarily a review about it, but I'm so impressed with it I figured I will actually do, if not a review, I'll show you how easily it works and how quick it can inflate a boat. The double action simply means that you're sending air out of the inflate side on the down when you push down on the handle and when you lift up, unlike a regular bicycle pump when you just normally on the down only, and then the up fills the chamber. So I'll show you about how long it takes to fill up an 8-foot inflatable boat. Got the timer, so the boat is fully inflated. Less than 3.5 minutes. Now I didn't do the seats yet. Those are actually really small chambers that use a different one of these nozzles. This one actually in particular works just fine, and so like I said, it comes with these 4 different sizes. It also comes with the option to inflate or deflate, so you can, I don't know what you would need to deflate, but if you need something to deflate, I just opened the valve and let the air rush out. You can do so with this pump. I'll put the price below that I paid for it. And this is 2021. I bought it on Amazon. It was very inexpensive.